For the past 2 years, Asia Hub has extended its reach to the foundational aspects of the educational system, infiltrating the minds of young ones with tech skills through Asia Tech Challenge. With a track record of engaging over 20 institutions of learning and a reach of over 150 students, the Asia Tech Challenge is back and better. This year's ATC is one like no other, with the theme being Global Standard for ICT Education and Secondary Schools. It promises to be 2 days of tech fun and forward-facing conversations and activities for students and educators. For a 24 hours hackathon to workshops and a conference with keynote speakers, we can't wait to have you come 2025.